Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is destination. It is pronounced destination, and it is spelt D-E-S-T-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Think dest, then in, then the letter A, and then tion. Destination means the place to which someone or something is going or being sent. For example, you could say, our plane's destination was Paris. Destination comes from the Latin destinatio, meaning make firm or establish. This word originally meant the action of intending someone or something for a purpose. It later changed slightly to become being destined for a place, and then ended up just meaning the place itself. Can you guess which city was the most popular destination to go on holiday for UK travellers in 2019? Go on, have a guess. The answer is New York. Second was Bangkok, and third, Amsterdam. Have you been to any of these top destinations? A destination is a noun and a place. For example, you could say, we arrived at our destination exhausted and famished. Destination is defined in the dictionary as the place where someone is going or where something is being sent or taken. Destination synonyms include location, place, target, and aim. Antonyms include beginning, source, start, origin, and dawn. See if you can talk about your destinations today. On your way to school or later on your way back home, impress your parents by pointing out the destination of your journey. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.